Most people still think you can't pause Instagram from your phone anymore, and that's why they keep scrolling for hours without control. If you're spending half your day on Instagram and want your time back, the trick isn't obvious, and most mobile guides are already outdated for 2026. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account using the mobile app, what mistakes to avoid, and how to pause without losing your followers, posts, or content. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to pause. Step 1. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap the menu, 3 lines on the top right, select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to Account Center. Step 3. In Account Center, tap Personal Details, then Account Ownership and Control. Here's the key. Under Account Ownership and Control, you'll now see Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap Temporarily Deactivate Account. Step 4. Instagram will ask why you're deactivating. Select a reason from the dropdown. Avoid choosing something else. It can block temporary deactivation in the new 2026 update. Step 5. Enter your Instagram password to confirm ownership. Step 6. Tap Temporarily Deactivate Account. Your account is now paused. Nothing is deleted. Here's the optimization most people miss. After deactivation, go to Settings, then Security, then Clear Cache or Clear App Data on your phone. This ensures the app doesn't auto-reactivate your account accidentally. A common mistake. Some users try logging in immediately after deactivation. The app may show errors or even re-enable features. Wait at least 24 hours before logging back in. Reality check. Temporarily deactivating does not delete your account. All posts, followers, and messages remain intact. You can reactivate anytime by logging back in. Pro tip for 2026. While your account is deactivated, go to your phone's notification settings and turn off Instagram notifications completely. This prevents accidental logins from notifications or autofill prompts. Next step most people forget. Secure your login details in a password manager. This avoids account lockouts and makes reactivation seamless when you're ready. In the next video, I'll show you how to archive and back up all your Instagram content safely before reactivating. Most people lose important posts because they skip this step. If you want more practical, tested systems like this, the ones that actually work, subscribe. Now think. If you could pause Instagram for a week without losing anything, what would you do with all that free time?